Time to start building the waterfall. Yay. So it's end of day one of the waterfall, Pondless waterfall that we're building. Here's what we got accomplished so far today. May not look like much, but it was a lot of work getting there. So tomorrow we'll start placing the stones, and hopefully by the end of the day it will look a little bit more like a waterfall. Ciao. Day 4, and thanks to my brother, made some huge progress today. See if I can get you, there we go. So all I got to do is finish up the bottom part, then add all the little stones and stuff, and turn the water on and see what happens. Stay tuned, sports fans. Ciao. Okay, so here we are on day 5. I finally got around to foaming some of the falls to see how the water's going to flow. Here's what we got. Came out better than I thought. I'm happy with it. Now I just got to finish it up with the rest of the rocks and rocks down at the bottom. So, oh yeah, never use pond foam without gloves. It doesn't come off. Day 6, and I pretty much have it done except for some of the rocks on the right hand side. Doesn't look like what I designed on paper. I think it looks a lot better. I'll give you a quick shot here and then I'm going to do a second video because I suck at doing selfie videos. So I'll take another one with the camera where I can see what I'm doing. Got some of the plants, Kuchera, Japanese lace leaf maple, some prairie wind grass, tiger eye sumac, now let's see what it looks like. Day 7, another 12-hour day, but we're done with it, except for some of the landscaping off to the side. I ran out of mulch, so we'll have to get that next week, but here she is. Oh, and I'll do the quick view, then a good video when I'm not trying to selfie it. Three weeks of fun and games. Yeah. It's done. If you ever hear me thinking about doing a project like this again, just shoot me.